Welcome to West End at Town Center, where modern living meets the charm of a close-knit community. Imagine waking up to the vibrant energy of Nocatee's Town Center right at your doorstep. Thoughtfully designed homes offer the perfect blend of contemporary comfort and convenience. Inside, find spacious living areas that effortlessly flow into modern kitchens, the heart of the home. From cozy evenings to entertaining friends, West End provides the backdrop for unforgettable moments. But it's not just about your home, it's about community. Dive into the refreshing pool on a sunny day, stay active at one of Nocatee Town Center's fitness clubs, or enjoy the outdoors by way of trails, kayaking, or one of the many outdoor parks. When you step beyond your front door, you're greeted by Nocatee's bustling town center, the perfect blend of shops, restaurants, and entertainment, all just a stroll away. Whether it's a movie under the stars or a leisurely stroll in the evening breeze, West End captures the essence of a life well lived. Discover the perfect balance of modern living and a sense of belonging at West End at Town Center. West End at Town Center. Welcome home.